Welcome back to our family destinations. Today we're racing through the streets of London with Mr. Toad's Wild Ride at Disneyland. Hold on tight, it's going to be quite the adventure. You guys gonna go on Winky?
Oh, meatballs!
Thanks for joining us on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. If you enjoyed this POV, hit like and subscribe and check out our Disneyland playlist for more magical ride-throughs.